Welcome to Vehicle News, your trusted source for the latest updates in the automotive and motorcycle world. Today, we'll be diving into the details of the new 2025 Suzuki GSX 250R, a sport bike that blends sharp styling, advanced features, and reliable performance for riders looking for excitement without compromising practicality. Design and styling. The 2025 Suzuki GSX 250R carries forward the aggressive DNA of the GSX family, inspired by its bigger siblings like the GSX 750 and GSX 1000. It features a sleeker aerodynamic body with sharp lines, a refreshed LED headlamp, and a modern tail design. Suzuki has also introduced new color schemes and bold graphics, giving the bike a premium look that stands out on the streets. Engine and performance. At its heart, the GSX 250R comes with a 248 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine designed for smooth and efficient power delivery. The engine offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel economy, making it suitable for both city commutes and weekend highway rides. With improved fuel injection technology and better throttle response, the 2025 model promises a more refined riding experience compared to its predecessors. Comfort and ride quality. Suzuki has worked on enhancing rider comfort with an upright seating position, a well-padded split seat, and adjustable suspension. The ergonomics are designed to ensure fatigue-free rides, whether you're tackling urban traffic or cruising longer distances. The lightweight chassis also improves handling, giving riders more confidence while cornering. Features and technology. The 2025 GSX 250R is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, and trip data clearly. It also features dual-channel ABS for added safety, LED lighting all around, and Suzuki's advanced braking system for precise stopping power. These updates align the bike with modern-day expectations of entry-level sport motorcycles. Price and availability. Suzuki is positioning the GSX 250R as an affordable sport bike, targeting riders who want the thrill of a GSX without the intimidating power of larger displacement machines. While prices may vary depending on the market, the 2025 version is expected to remain competitively priced, making it one of the most attractive options in the 250 cubic centimeters category. Conclusion. The new 2025 Suzuki GSX 250R offers a perfect blend of sporty looks, reliable performance, and everyday practicality. It's a motorcycle that welcomes beginners while still satisfying experienced riders looking for a nimble and stylish machine. Stay tuned to Vehicle News for more updates on the latest launches, reviews, and comparisons in the world of two-wheelers.